So today we're going to construct a line perpendicular to the given line through a point that is marked on the line. So the line that we're constructing, the perpendicular line we're constructing, has to go through this point. So we have to remember the construction we did yesterday, or in lesson 2.2, where we found the midpoint of a line segment by using the two endpoints of that line segment and making them the centers of two congruent circles, and then we drew the line down through the intersection points to locate the midpoint. So this construction that we're doing now is very similar. We still need the line to go through one point. The problem is we don't have endpoints marked on the diagram that would be the endpoints of the line segment that this one would be the midpoint of. So that's our first task, is we need to find the endpoints of a line segment that has this as its midpoint. So to do that, all we're going to do is put the bullseye on the point that we are trying to construct the line through, and we're going to draw half a circle, or more, a little more than half a circle. The point for that being that once we do draw more than half a circle through the line, we have now found two endpoints of a line segment that has that point we want the line to go through as its midpoint. So we now have two endpoints of a line segment that we can bisect. So what you'll do right now is you will put the bullseye on one of those endpoints that you just created. Trying to do this very accurately. And then you're going to move your slider to the other endpoint that you created. So you move your slider there, and then we're doing the exact same perpendicular bisector construction that we did in lesson 2.2. So you're going to draw that one big arc, and then you're going to flip it around, put the bullseye on the other endpoint, and draw another big arc. And once you do that, all of these 3 points should align to create a perpendicular line to this given line through a point on the line.